welcome back to Don's Life channel. Thanks for joining today. Behind me, we got the sunshine in here in Saskatoon. We got the AT4. You can probably hear that wind. Let me move inside here. We got the Escalade, the BMW M4, and way over there, the 56 Cameo. Anyway, these are all my project vehicles. They belong to various members of the family. Anyway, I like to customize them, but sometimes you got to get inspiration. So we're going to hit up a car show today, here, a local one that's happening. It's supposed to be pretty decent. And sometimes that's exactly what the doctor would prescribe when you want to get those creative juices flowing and think about your own projects. So we're going to check that out. I'm also working on another video for you about the 6-month review on the AT4. So you want to definitely subscribe, tune in to check that out later. Anyway, let's grab some of the family. Let's get on the road. Let's get down to the show and just check it out. Parked between an Audi and a Mercedes. Uh-oh. That's a car after your own heart right there.
Yeah, I just looking at her phone. I'm so dumb.
Oh, look at this control, folks. That's our man, Chris Gonzalez. And Team Easy Drift.
right, that concludes the show. Actually, still going on, but we saw pretty much everything. We saw some drifting. We saw a bunch of nice cars and trucks. Did I get some inspiration? Maybe. That remains to be seen. Anyway, if you liked today's video, hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, and we'll talk to you next time.